Hey guys, welcome to Gon's Brand Cube, the best brand in town. And today I'm going to show you my Rubik's Cube collection in Australia. So to start off with, we've got the gear cube. You don't really need any algorithm to solve it. You only need to solve one side and it basically solves. So it turns 2 at a time. That's 1, it only turns half. So next we've got the Cubing Classroom 4S. I got it from Speed Cube Australia for about $10 and I've looped it and it's not that good, but it's really cheap for beginners. Then I've got this Pyramix. I got it from Speed Cube Australia for $5. It's stickerless and there's no magnet in it, so it's not that good, but it was only $5. And then I've got this tiny one. I bought this from China because it's really small, it fits in my pocket, but it's not as good as the GAN one or the other ones. There's some weird sounds and I don't know what brand it is. Then there's a homemade 1x1, the origami one. Let's see it in action. .327 seconds. So next we've got the Cubing Classroom 2S 2x2. It's really smooth and I got this, I think it was $6.50. It performs really well in the corner cuttings. Really good. So I've got the white one and I got it from Speed Cube Australia. And then I've got this one. I got it from the op shop for 50 cents. It's not really good, but it's way better than the Rubik's Cube brand one. And then I've just got this one, like not really a puzzle, it's really stiff. Then up to the 3x3s, I've got the Qui Warrior W. It feels really different to the other ones and it's pretty smooth. Then I've got the Cubing Classroom 3x3. It's really smooth. It's probably the second main, and here I've got my main, the GAN Cube. I got it from Speed Cube for $44 and it's really smooth. So it also comes with a bag and you can change those inside. And lucky last, I've got this one. I don't know where I bought it, but it's really old and it turns quite well. So yeah, that's all. Thank you.